High noon. Today we are at the doctor, waiting in this room.
These are the eggs, and that's where it goes down. Sometimes it goes right there, and sometimes it goes all the way to your vagina, and so sometimes you get the baby out of your vagina.
Well, close. Yep. Those are the eggs. Good job. Okay. You're learning so much. Okay, we're at the local farmer's market. It's really not that big, especially this early in the year. Hi.
How are you doing?
We're good.
Hello, dear. How are you? Hey, would you care for a sticker today?
You want a sticker?
I have a polar bear. Would that be okay?
They're leather because they will get very
There you go.
Okay, I should not have ever tried these peanut butter cookies.
They're really horrible, aren't they?
Yeah. Do you take your jars back?
Yeah, jars
Okay.
and rings, not the lids. Does she like apple cinnamon?
Do you want to try
like
some?
apple? Want to try apple jelly? Tell me what you think about that, okay?
That's really good.
Isn't that nice? Valencia oranges and fresh rhubarb. That's what we use to make it.
I would never have thought of that.
$3 for the bunch. Have fun.
Look how cute. Look at the little tomato plant, Charlotte. See it? That's cute.
Hello.
Hi. What? You saw some cool pillows? Here, smell this. Here, smell the rosemary. We also have cilantro.
I saw cool colors.
Here you go.
I told him, and that's when I worked on the recipe. I said, if they want to do a marinara, we have, excess tomatoes.
It's so good.
So we
Ooh, you're gonna love it. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna try the marinara sauce that we got at the farmer's market. Light garden marinara. It was so good. And let's see, we have bread and salad. That looks colorful. Okay, we'll see. Taste test. Charlotte, what is today? Charlotte, what is today?
Mary's
It's her birthday? Is it a surprise? Is this a surprise party? Oh my goodness, she's not going to understand. She's going to be so surprised. Are you going to tell her, or what's going to...
sing happy birthday.
Okay, well...
Tell Mary what today is.
Tell
her.
The sun turned off. Today's your birthday.
How old is she?
3.
She's
3
3
years
years
old.
old?
Yeah.
21 and dog.
Come here, Puppins.
Is it?
She's
Come
I
here.
want to get her it. I want to get her it.
Hold on.
Look.
We're each going to get to give her some, okay?
She's going to break it in half.
Here, Sam, you want to give her some?
Yeah, I go first.
No, not yet. You got to sing to her first. Here, Goose.
Where's
Okay.
my piece?
Ready?
What?
Are you ready to sing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Mary
Mary.
Puppins.
Happy birthday
to you. Yay, Puppins. 3 years old, Puppins. You're 3 years old, Puppins. Hold on, wait. She has to swallow the first one.
Do you think she was surprised?
Yeah. She barking. She was crying.
She was crying. She was so happy.
She's ready for another one.
Right there. Big
Wow,
one.
it's her lucky day.
She's going to get 4 treats.
Okay. She's gonna have to work for mine.
She'll jump. Did you see how high she got?
Yeah. Mary, is it your birthday? Mary Puppins! Mary Puppins!
151, 152. Okay, Mary.
Make her jump.
Mary, look, you want one? There you go. Jump.
Good job.
She really wanted it.
Okay, Mary, you want another one? Come on, get it!
Get it.
Puppins.
You gotta let her get it.
I will.
Get it, Puppins.
Sit.
Get it, Mary.
Get it.
Get it.
Oh,
Oh, yay.
And that's how you have a party for a dog. See you tomorrow at high noon. Happy birthday, little pup.